What is up, guys? So today I'm doing a little work in the Beamer. I gotta put in one of the carpets for the floor, like the rear carpet, but I gotta organize all of this first. And then obviously there's a whole mess everywhere here. So basically when I got the car, it had some damage that I didn't know. So I couldn't tell online, obviously. So there was some of the wires that were like cut, so we had to fix all of that. My dad is helping me with all the wiring stuff. Pretty much we're just like, welding them back together and going through like everything to make sure that, it's gonna be good. And then I gotta take off the dash soon to go over all the wires back there. And then right now I'm putting this back carpet so that way I can start taking the dash and put like everything back here, because the trunk is like full of stuff. Then we gotta check all the wiring from here up, so all the pillars and stuff like that. I don't think I'm gonna get to the headliner. I don't think that's gonna be a big issue, but pretty much right now all I'm doing is just putting that, like organizing all of this, getting all the stuff out of the way, and putting the rear carpet on, because the carpet on this car is split in half in the middle under the seat. So that's the goal for today. So yeah, you guys can enjoy the video. Alrighty guys, so I originally was gonna put in the carpet, but then I started looking around and I realized there's like stuff that I had to do around here and all the way up here. Actually, you can see what I'm dealing with right there. So pretty much the whole thing back here. So I just decided to take everything apart and like fix everything. The whole floor on this side and on that side is fixed already. Like all the wiring is gone through, all the wiring is perfect. Same under the seats. I just got the seats down because I couldn't figure out how to take them off. And I didn't really need to. Anyway, so all the wiring up to here, it's like checked on this side. On that side, all of that up to where that tape is hanging, it's good. And then up here, there's like wires that we gotta like fix and stuff. But I went ahead and I took all the parts because I had the trunk full of parts. So I went ahead and I took all of that apart. So we gotta go from like pretty much from the quarter panel of the car backwards and go over everything. And then the only thing we have left after that, it's the dash, like all the wires inside, like that go up in the dash. Because on that side, on the bottom, the wires are good. On this side, on the bottom, the wires are good. We just have to like, get the ones that go up. Actually, no, I'm lying. On this side, we gotta go from there on forward. And we gotta check this one from where the light is up. So all of that needs to be checked inside the dash and everything. I know this airbag up here, one of the wires is cut completely. So I need to fix that. And then this was another thing on the sound system that goes up there. It was completely, see, that's what I'm dealing with. But my dad and I are going through like the whole thing, so that way we can make sure there's no broken wires left or anything. And then after that, I start putting the whole interior back in. I got all the parts, the new parts for the interior. I needed to get a kind of like a little liner that goes here. And one of the on the 5 Series, they have like this little thing here that covers all of this up. I needed to get one for the other side. I already got that. And then one of the carpets for up there, I already got it. Same for back here. The 5 Series, I'm pretty sure like every other BMW is kind of like that, but right here they have like a little like bucket kind of thing, and that was like they ate away like the little liner that goes on it. So I got that new as well. And then back here they ate the little thing was like messed up, so I just went ahead and I bought it as well. But yeah, that's pretty much like the progress as of right now. That's all we've been doing. Also, I've been talking to a lot of people about this. Why did BMW had to put such an ugly steering wheel on a 5 Series? Like, It's personally, I hate it. I can't like not like look at it and not hate it. I know the M Sport has a nicer steering wheel, and I know that you can swap them on, which is what I planned on doing in the future maybe. But we'll see what happens. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that's going on. And then all the damage up there. I got the seats up there. The whole garage is a whole mess right now because we got to fit a big ass car all the way in here. So the whole garage is like a whole mess right now. I'm just working on it when I have time to dedicate it. So yeah, that's pretty much it.